Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Pika Labs. Ladies and gentlemen, if you jump into pika.art, you are going to find yourself here. You will get a couple credits to play around with just to familiarize yourself. And right at the top, you have inspiration. And here are a bunch of videos that you'll get some inspiration from. We also see that there is Pika twists, selfies, Pika frames, Pika swaps, Pika additions, and Pika scenes. Now, you can go through all of these and check out exactly what it is. And then what you actually find something that you like, you can just say make it yours, and it'll copy the prompt basically, and you can just edit that prompt to make it your own. Ultimately, what we're going to do here is describe our story. Now, what we can do is click on settings, and we can change the aspect ratio over here, and you can also add a negative prompt. So let's go ahead first of all and add our prompt. A dog standing on a hilltop at sunrise with wind blowing through its fur. You can now also add an image for reference. And if you are ready to send your prompt, go ahead and click on this icon right over here. And there we go, folks. Within a few seconds, our video is ready. You can see over here, if you just hold your cursor over it, it'll show you the preview. Of course, you can make it full screen. You can also share it, download it, make it one of your favorites. And then you can also reprompt or just copy this prompt over here. And you can add it to a folder or just delete it from your account. That's the basic way of using Pika.